Thank you and welcome back. Big and strong like me. Yeah? What do you think? Come with me. This is where your vending machine production starts. We've got your sheet metal that's rolled over there where all your panels are accessed. Now come with me, this is the assembly line, follow me. We've got for welding your trays, as you can see, we've got a multitude of products, a multitude high-tech technology that goes very far, very advanced. Robotic system from punching out your plate to manufacturing and assembling, follow me. As you can see, we've got a world of technology. Over here, come with me. As you can see, your vending machine plates, they're all processed, where you can see your products. That's how you look. This is your sheet metal and it's already done and already made, as it does along the production line. Come with me. We use the latest of equipment, laser cutters, any plant equipment that you can possibly think of. We've got the latest technology. As you can see, the workers are working. These sheet metal, they come straight out of the thing and then straight away they're pressed and punched out as required. Come with me. These goes from that to what you can see over here. Thank you, follow me. This is where innovation. It's got some of the state-of-the-art technology. This will mill it, cut it, it'll actually produce it along with the layers. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. As you can see, it gives the flutes, the holes, everything is precisely cut, so no machine is different, they're all cut to the same size. Certain parts manufacture certain models. These are the ones, this is what comes out. This is to show you the machine in action. As you can see, it's punching out all your holes, it's doing all your fluids, everything is done. How are you, boss? Okay? Thank you. All right, follow me. As you can see, we've got a world of technology and a world of innovation. There's no machine. Here we've got multitudes of machinery that cut for precise precision cutting, down to your milling, down to your smaller parts, and this is what comes out in the end. Every part, every component is exactly the same on every machine. Processing and manufacturing the components. These components here, as you can see, they start from that and they end up like that. Producing your shells, as you can see, you've got all your tack wheels, everything is made precisely, so every machine is identical measurements. All your parts, all your components, they're along the line, they're all stacked into their orders, so every order's not missed, every part, every component is here, it's labelled, every component, every piece. I'm going to take you over to the painting, and this is the powder coating booth, so follow me. This is where every component is not only sanitized, cleaned, it's actually, you can see it there, it comes out spotless, ready for powder coating. So as these go through, this is a cleaning process. As the machines come along, they'll go through the machine, they'll go through clean, and they'll be spotless. They come out looking like this. When they come out looking like this, from here on in, they follow the drying process, and then they get magnetized, they get powder coated, and off you go, you'll see the powder coating process, and as you can see, they're getting clean. Follow me. As you can see, every component, every piece of the door, every piece of the factory. This is where the life of your vending machine starts. Innovation at its best. This is from rolled steel straight to your vending machine. The process actually starts here. This is the first phase, then it goes to the second channel, then it goes down to the third channel, and then it comes to your painting, which is last but not least.